Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that toyow token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, toyow is a multi-category RWA marketplace offering tokenization of real-world assets across several categories. toyow operates a blockchain-driven asset tokenization platform, enabling users to create, sell, buy, or trade digital tokens representing real world assets, commodities, real estate, art, films, music, and more. The toyow tokens TTN serves as a utility token that powers the toyow marketplace, supporting fractional ownership, streamlined transactions, marketplace access, and additional project specific benefits such as rewards, IRL events access, and more. toyow project institution rating is 3.3. toyow token total supply is 32.48 million and circulating supplies around 17.6 million TTN token. TTN token is listed on MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.